Yo, what's up, losers? Try to ignore my nasty garage. I'm shooting on my phone today. Ronnie's not here. He's on vacation with the family. I wish I could be on vacation. I'm super jealous. I got big mail today. Mail in boxes is what I call big mail. Super exciting. Came from FedEx. Ordered it from Injuku Racing. We'll see what it is. But before that, I want to show y'all something. This down here is the back of one of my fairly new wheels. I paid pretty good for these wheels. We can look at them on the Mustang right here. See these wheels? That's them. They're made by Heritage Racing, which is owned by 3-Piece, I'm pretty sure. And I like them. Like, they're real pretty. They're the Ibisu model. I took them drifting maybe a month or two ago, and I hit a few rumble strips, and I ended up bending one of the lips. It was actually this lip back here I bent really bad. God, look at all that crap on the Mustang. Anyway, I bent this lip really bad. You can't see it because I took it to my buddy Jesse O'Buzz, and he fixed me up. Let me see if I can see where it was bent. It was bent right here, all through here. It was huge. I think we showed you in another video. We threw a picture in another video, and it showed how bent the lip was. If I can find that picture, I'll try to put it in right here. Anyways, so I was drifting, bent the lip, took it to Jesse O'Buzz, he fixed it. I took a trip to Phoenix about a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and as I was coming back, one of the tires started deflating, and I took the wheel off to take a look at it, and check this out. This was not the wheel that I bent the lip on. I think I like barely tapped a rumble strip with this one, and it bent the lip. You can kind of see the bend in it right here, but you can definitely see that freaking crack. I don't think aluminum wheels are supposed to do this. I think they're supposed to like bend, especially with the cushion of the tire. I think they're supposed to just like bend. I don't know. What do I know about wheels? I don't know. I talked to Jesse O'Buzz. He knows a lot more about wheels than I do. And he said that 3-Piece might be using like Chinese barrels. And that's why it cracked like this instead of bending, because the lip had a huge, it was like a huge flared out bend. Like it freaking peeled back and the lip was like all sticking up like this. And he fixed it right back. No cracks, no nothing. He just reshaped it and smoothed it out, and it looks amazing. But this barrel did not stand up to like a single shot. You can see it cracked down, and then it made like this crazy like rounded crack right there. Like, what? Like, why would it even do that? I don't know. Anyways, I should definitely be a better driver and not hit rumble strips, but you would think they would use the same quality barrels as they do lips. So if you bend them, they can be just like, you know, shaped back to whatever. But anyways, I'm upset about it. I'm gonna have to take all the wheels off the Mustang and inspect them and get them repaired if other ones are cracked. But that kind of leads us to the next thing. So cool. You can probably guess by the size of this box what this is, or maybe you can't, or maybe by what I was talking about earlier what this is. Since I've got to take all of my wheels off, get them inspected and stuff, I won't have any wheels on the Mustang. Or will I? Dang, I can't get them open fast enough. I'm so excited. That did not go well. It's okay. I'm going to put this right back up here. We're still recording. Straighten my daggum phone. All right. Awesome. Back to it, I suppose. Like, what did I think was going to happen? I was going to throw the cardboard at the phone and not knock it over? Anyways. Oh my gosh. See if I can unveil this thing without freaking dropping it. Man, that's pretty. Look at that finish. Dang. This is the Hyper Black or Black Chrome G8 by Square Wheels. I don't know why they call it the G8 because it has 7 spokes. It's almost like a TE37 replica, except for the TE37s has 6 spokes. I don't know what wheel has 7 spokes, except maybe like a Advan, like AVS Model 7 or a Work TR7, but these aren't really shaped like those either. But I like these. They're real chunky. They look tough. I don't know if they are. I'm not going to test that anytime soon until I get my other wheels fixed, and then maybe I can thrash these or whatever. But yeah, this is them. I'm going to take them and get tires mounted and put them on the Mustang right now. So you'll see that in right now. So there it is. That is it with the new wheels. I had some tires laying around. These wheels are 19 by 10.5 plus 12 all the way around. The tires that I had were 265 40 19s, and they are a little too tall. Ronnie will probably be with me on the next video. We might be doing hard body stuff, Mustang stuff. We might be doing C30 Chevy stuff, like his big diesel truck. I know he's getting pretty close on that. I'm actually trying to get my CRV back on the road. I need to put a new motor in the RX-7. So much to do. But anyways, we'll see you guys later.